Every day at Wells & West Utilities, we deliver outstanding levels of gas safety, reliability and customer service so that we are trusted and valued by the millions of people who rely on us.
Wells & West Utilities is a gas company. We own and operate most of the network within Wales and South West of England. Every day we have thousands of skilled engineers out there making sure you get your gas supplied to your house. We replace pipes all over the area, Wales and the South West. We effectively lay 450,000 metres a year and we affect about 48,000 customers. We invest £70 million in the replacement programme every year.
We wanted to reduce the time that customers had to be without a gas supply when we upgraded their old metal gas pipes to new plastic pipes. And this meant that we needed to find a solution that would help us to connect customers' gas service pipes more quickly to the new replacement plastic pipes. Traditional connection methods involved considerable disruption to customers and meant digging large, deep excavations to carry them out. The solution we were looking for had to work with the new gas pipe replacement method of live mains insertion, so we could reduce the time spent off gas for our customers. This was proving very difficult as the technology just didn't exist, and cutting a window into old metal gas pipes continued to be arduous and time-consuming.
We're replacing our old gas pipes to maintain the service that we provide the customer. You want to turn your gas on, so we're replacing the old metal pipes with new plastic ones. The benefits are that once we replace the pipe for 90 years, we'll never come back.
We needed an innovative solution that would reduce the time taken to connect customers to our new gas pipes and which would also help us to meet demanding gas pipe replacement targets set for future years.
Wells & West approached us and they said they needed a tool for quicker means of cutting the service windows. So it went from an initial meeting to us going away, getting some ideas. So Wells & West said, it very much needed to be a quick tool. We had a limit to how big the tool could be to keep the excavation down. So we set out kind of all these different requirements for what this tool needed. Our development team went away, came up with some drawings, and then from the drawings went back to Wells & West Utilities. Then the next step was creating a prototype to do some internal test work on. It wasn't just a case of our team and the management at Wells & West Utilities. It was very much a case of let's come up with a tool, let's give it to the guys that are going to be using it, let's make sure they're happy with it, and let's see if they've got any changes that they think can make their job easier.
We're just introducing the ductile iron cutter to cut ductile iron for us so we can carry on replacing our plastic pipes. It means we can live insert, so you will be back on gas that day and only go off gas once. It saves us time, it saves us money, it's much better than conventional methods for the environment, and the customer goes back on fast.
The success of the rapid window cutter has allowed us to plan and design a gas replacement programme for 2015-16, which will reduce the impact of our works on customers and allow us to complete the work safer, quicker and more efficiently, and these improvements are set to increase in the future.
With anything that's used in the gas industry, any kind of tooling, then safety is the optimum concern, and that was very much built into the design of the cutter from the very start. One of its key features is a controlled depth disc. This can be interchanged depending on what depth of main you are cutting on. It's pneumatically powered. It's got 4 wheels on it which allows you to get an even pressure on the main when you're pushing down and using it. A major part of the development was the motor itself. So we needed to make sure that the motor was going to be giving a quick cut, that it wasn't going too quickly, which was heating up the blade and then causing sparks.
We're very pleased with the progress of the new technique. We're using it a lot. It really affects our customers, it's cost effective and a great new way of doing things.
We operate in a fast-paced, challenging and ever-evolving sector. If we are to continue to meet our customers' needs and succeed as a business, we need to not only meet today's challenges, but to prepare for future challenges. Our customers demand the very best standards of service, and it is up to us to collaborate and innovate to rise to meet future challenges and continually improve the services we provide.